Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about Fsrm, File Server Resource Manager. So it is a feature in Windows Server that helps system admins to classify and manage data stored on file server. So file screen. So it helps administrator to control the type of file that user can store on file server. So quota management. It allows you to limit the space that is allowed for a volume or a folder. I will show you practically. So go to our server PDC and we need to install the feature FSRM and go to add roles and features. Click on next. Click on next button and click on next. And under file and storage services, under file and ICSC services, we can see file server resource manager, add features and click on next. Restart if needed. Click on install. Okay, now the installation has been started. Now we need to create a new drive, a shareable file server. I will show you how to create. Go to disk management, disk management, and click on this. And right click on this one. We can say shrink volume. Okay, now shrink the volume, shrink it. And click on this one. This is a volume that we created now, 50 GB file, 50 GB drive. So new symbol volume. And you can click on next. Click on next button. So I'm giving it as a drive as 20 GB only. Now click on next. So you can mention the drive letter. I'm giving it as local disk C H folder and click on next button and finish. Now we can see a new drive that we are created. Go to File Explorer and we can see a new volume H that we created. So we need to make this file server as a shared folder. So right click on that. So before that we need to create a folder, images. Click on new. So okay, let's make this drive as a shared drive. Video properties and go to sharing, advanced sharing. I'm sharing with everyone in this domain. You can share for particular users or groups also. So now I'm sharing with everyone. Click on apply. Okay. Okay. Now go to Windows 10. So this is our domain user 1. And go to File Explorer. We are mapping that network drive which we created to client user. I will show you how to map. Go to PC and click on this computer. We can see option map network drive. And we can mention the IP of PDC. And this H folder. Click on OK. Finish. So we map the network drive. Now go to Windows Server 2022 or PDC and click on Tools and click on File Server Resource Manager. So this is our Fsrm console, and we can see quota management and file screen management, which we discussed earlier. So under file screen management, there are some file screen templates, and we can block some files for the users that dot format, like we can block the .jpg format and .png like that. I will show you how to block that one. So before that, we need to create a folder in our H drive, that is images. Okay. So we can see block image files. Right click on that and click on edit template properties. So click on edit. So I am allowing .png format. So you can save the image files of .png, but you can't save other formats that mentioned in here. So I'm allowing .png. Start.png you have to mention. And click on add. So now users can save the images files with the .png format, but they can't save the image files in other format like .jpg. I will show you. Click on yes, click on OK. Now go to this block image files and create a file screen from this template. And you have to mention the file screen path, browse, go to H folder and click on images. OK. Now create. Okay, we have created a new file screen and we can see. Now go to client machine and try to save one .png format. So this is our drive, H drive. So now go to paint. Okay, this is our H folder, H drive. Now go to paint and try to save the image with .png format and .jpg format. For .png format, user can save in the drive, but they can't save the file with .jpg format. So that's a rule we have created in file screen management. So now save this file, save as. So we are saving it our file server, H drive. Try to save it. So it won't allow. That's the file screen we have created. But the user can save the files in .png format. So make it a .png. And user can save with this format and try to save. Yes, it's saved. So our lab is successful. In this way, you can create many type of file screening. For block, you want to block image, video files or audio files of particular format, you can do that. So this is a quota management, and you can create some quota for users. For a drive user don't want to exceed the limit of above 100 MB, you can do that. If a warning is 85%, it will give a warning. If 100%, it won't allow you to create another file in that folder. In this way, you can create quota.